Hey students, a very good morning to all the students. So students, I hope all of you enjoyed your vacation. I hope you made proper use of your vacation. So with this, today we are going to restart our classes. So now let's just move to chapter 10 as we have already completed chapter 9. So the name of the chapter is recreation. So students, I hope you know the meaning of recreation. So recreation, okay, you just need to understand the word. Re means फिर से and creation means to create. So now let's just move to the topic, okay. So recreation is an activity which gives us joy and pleasure. So students, what is recreation? It is an activity which gives us joy and pleasure. So students, रिक्रिएशन का मतलब होता है एक एक्टिविटी जो हमें जॉय मीन्स खुशी और प्लेजर देता है, ओके, सेटिस्फैक्शन देता है. सो वी डू दिस एक्टिविटी ओनली फॉर एंजॉयमेंट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रिक्रिएटिंग और रिक्रिएशन आर डन ओनली फॉर एंजॉयमेंट, ओके. सो रिक्रिएशन रिलैक्स आवर माइंड एंड कीप अस हेल्दी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, the recreation, they keep our mind very healthy, okay. They also relax our mind as well as they keeps us healthy. We have recreation in many ways. So students, we have recreation in many ways. So recreation include the outdoor games like the cricket, hockey, football, badminton and lawn tennis. Okay, so these are the recreation activity which are also known as the outdoor games. So this will include our cricket, hockey, football, badminton and the lawn tennis. So students, recreation का मतलब वो होता है कि कोई भी चीज़ हम करते हैं अपने खुशी के लिए और प्लेजर के लिए, ओके. एंड रिक्रिएशन हमें हमारे माइंड को रिलैक्स करने के हेल्प करता है एंड देन इट ऑल्सो हेल्प टू कीप अस हेल्दी, ओके. एंड रिक्रिएशन इट इंक्लूड बोथ द आउटडोर गेम्स एंड द इंडोर गेम्स. और आउटडोर गेम्स में ये क्या क्या होते हैं? लाइक द क्रिकेट, हॉकी, फुटबॉल, बैडमिंटन एंड द लॉन टेनिस. सो in indoor games we have snakes and ladder, ludo, carom and chess. So these are the indoor games. So reading storybooks, listening to music, dancing, drawing and painting, playing a musical instrument, watching television and playing with friends in the park are also way of recreation. So students, as you can see in the diagram or the image over here, this is a drawing and painting. This is also a part of recreation activity. So music and dance is also a part of recreation activity. This indoor game as well as the outdoor games, both are the part of recreation activity, okay. So whenever we play in the park, or whenever we listen to music, whenever we dance and whenever we watch television, what we do is we relax our mind and we also get lots of joy and pleasure. So wherever we get joy and pleasure, जहाँ पे भी हमें जॉय, खुशी और प्लेजर मिलता है, उन एक्टिविटी को हम कहते हैं रिक्रिएशन और रिक्रिएशन एक्टिविटी, ओके. सो by doing all these things we are getting immense amount of joy. So these all are included in the recreation, okay students. So I hope it is clear to you. So now we are going to move on to the second topic, that is recreation by ourselves. So number one is a television. So television has become the most popular means of recreation in ancient time. It's recent time. So students, we all know that television has become the most popular means of recreation. So इसका मतलब है कि रिसेंट टाइम में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी क्या में मिलता है, whenever we watch television. So students, whenever you watch different kind of movies or different kind of cartoons, so what happen, we get lots of pleasure. So this is the most popular means of recreation. Okay, so for this reason television is considered as the most popular means of recreation. We watch exciting movies and various entertainment shows on it. So I already told you that in television we watch different exciting movies. हम बहुत सारे movies भी देखते हैं और entertainment के लिए different shows भी देखते हैं. So we also watch different kind of sporting events, for example the cricket match and the Olympic games live on television. So students, I think most of the boys will be interested in watching the cricket match and different Olympic games also. So these type of games are live on our television. So television channels such as the Discovery, History and National Geographic telecast program that are both entertaining and educative. So students, there are also certain channels like the Discovery, History and the National Geographic. They telecast different programs that are both entertaining and educative. मतलब Discovery, History and National Geography ऐसे प्रोग्राम को टेलीकास्ट करता है जो कि बहुत एंटरटेनिंग भी होते हैं और बहुत ही ज़्यादा एजुकेटिव. दैट मीन्स वी गेट लॉट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम दिस टाइप ऑफ चैनल्स. ओके, सो नंबर 2 इज़ अ रीडिंग. So students, reading relax our mind and provide us with a lots of information. So whenever we read, what happen? We relax our mind, and also reading it provide us with lots of information. So जब भी हम बुक पढ़ते हैं वहाँ से हमको क्या होता है, हमारा माइंड भी रिलैक्स होता है एंड हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिलती है. We can learn so much about the way people live in different places and their customs. So students, by reading a book, we get to know the people living in different places and also their different customs. Okay. So हम जब भी बुक पढ़ते हैं तो हमें क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है? So we get information from different part of the world about the different people living in different places and their customs. So reading improve our vocabulary as well. So students, whenever we read, it also help us in improving our vocabulary. So storybooks are a major source of information and entertainment. So students, we read different kind of storybooks, and the different books, they are a major source of information. That means we get lots of information from the storybook and we also get different entertainments. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Today we just learn about the meaning of recreation, and we also learn about 2 different recreations that are created by ourselves. So with this we complete today's part. So have a good day and thank you.